Sir, is NCERT sufficient for my JEE preparation? A lot of students tell me that it is very important, and they tell me that the questions are directly asked from NCERT. So if I complete all the NCERT and questions, will that prepare me for JEE? Well, when I was preparing for JEE and my parents did not know much about JEE preparation, they wanted me to study only from NCERT. One, because other books were expensive, and two, because they thought that NCERT was a recommended book and hence had to have all the stuff which is needed. But when I studied from it, I realized that it lacks a lot of theory. You will not understand theory if you only study from NCERT. I know a lot of YouTubers recommend doing NCERT. Yes, you should do the questions, but you should not start studying from NCERT because you will not understand the concepts. If you want to know about the books, you can look into the description. There's link of all the books that you need. But see, for chemistry, especially organic, NCERT theory is still decent but not complete. But you can start from organic NCERT and then pick up rest of the books. But for rest of the topics, inorganic, physical, physics, maths, NCERT is not sufficient. You will have to read theory from other books, other reference books, and then you can come back to NCERT only to solve questions, because questions are good for concept building, and that will also help you in your board exam preparation. But in overall, if you just do NCERT, one, you will not understand the concept, and two, it will not be sufficient for your engineering entrance exam. So yes, it is needed that you complete their questions, but it is not sufficient. Hope you like the video. Do subscribe to our channel and also download our app for JEE mentorship. You get all the scientific aspects to prepare for your JEE and follow your exam. Thank you. Bye.